This is how to create a Firebase account. First, be sure you have an account with Google, and then we will go to firebase.google.com and go to console. Next, we will click get started with a Firebase project, or you can try this sample apps. We will name our project. So let's say my first project. Then click this checkbox to accept the Firebase terms and click continue. You can enable Gemini in Firebase. Click continue. Scroll down and you can also enable Google Analytics for your project and click continue. And choose your analytics account if you have one, and we will create a project. Now our Firebase project is ready. We will click continue. And now we have an account in Firebase. So this is how to create a Firebase account.